cantaloupe, and watermelon. Sa mango? Kukuha ako ng mango. Nanay, during I'll get one. Kasi Jess is coming. So, Jessie loves fruits. Jessie loves mango. So, I'll make sure I have a mango. Ito nanay din, pilihan nyo nga po ako ito. Hindi ko man. Yung parang yung nandun. Ito kaya ito. So, ayan, nanay during is helping me to get mango. So, there it is. Oh, look at that. There's a lot of mangoes in here.
Tamang-tama. Kasi hilaw-hilaw pa.
Oh, who loves mango? So, there it is. Yan. And ito masyadong green. Kaya, let's change the other one. Masyado din green yan. Ayan. This is okay?
Okay naman yan.
This is okay? Yeah.
Palitan mo? Ilan mo?
Ito.
Okay lang naman.
Okay lang, okay. Ilan? How many? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 in one box. Supposed to be 17. Yeah, is this 17? Okay. Okay. Dyan na lang po. Sige, dyan na lang muna. Mamaya. And we have a lot of bananas and apple. Look at the apple. So we have crispy apple, twist apple, Fuji apple. Wait lang, anak. Wait lang. And green kiwi. You want green kiwi? Yes. No. I still have apple. So ayan, ang lalaki ng apple. May Fuji apple. So malalaki siya. Yan si Nanay Doreen. Okay.